What's up? Welcome to today's stream. I'm William. It's Tuesday, January the 9th, and I'm doing the same thing I was doing yesterday. I'm going to work on docs. Except this time, I'm going to capture screenshots today. Yesterday, I was mostly focused on figuring out what was there, what can be improved, what needs to be added. And I took some notes. If you didn't watch the last stream, it's on VOD. You could go check it out on YouTube. But today, I want to actually start executing on some of the things. So I'm going to take some screenshots, get those in one folder, and then start putting together steps. Or we already have steps, but I'm going to confirm that the steps are indeed still valid, because I think it's Mailgun I'm working on. Yeah, Mailgun has changed a little bit since the last time these screenshots were taken, and potentially since the last time these steps were updated. So yeah, today is going to be a little bit more mechanical than usual. Who knows though? I may end up getting into some product feedback type stuff as well. Maybe I'll also go and check our developer Discord to see if there are any open questions that I can answer, that kind of thing. But yeah, let's go ahead and switch over. I've already made sure that there's nothing that I shouldn't be showing for work on my screen, so I can hop into it. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's tomorrow. I'm like, wait, what? Okay, so what I want to do first. Let's first, I guess, go into Mailgun. It's probably a good first step, so let's just do that. And I have my browser smaller than usual because whenever I take screenshots, I had to be incredibly mindful of the fact that I'm on a high resolution screen. So these images will be insanely large. So by putting it at this size, I get the image dimensions more workable. They're still stupidly large. In fact, I want to show how stupidly large. Let's actually just do the. I did that. Let's open up the info here. You'll see here that just this tiny window on my monitor is 2542 by 2136. Now, it's my understanding that the most common monitor size is 19 by 1080. So this is, a little bit higher than that. And this is just for a single window, right? So imagine how much larger it would be if it were full screen on my machine. But yeah, the other thing is I like to have a consistent presentation of these screenshots. Let me show what I mean by that. Got our documentation here. And there's actually one in this document that we can look at that I've already added here. Oh wait, no, not this. Here we are. So notice how there is, all of these windows are the same. They look similar. Well, that's not by accident. Now, you may be wondering, why is this particular thing not that? Well, it's mainly because the things that I'm trying to show it's within context. Well, it's not yet, but it will be. It will be within context because we're going to update certain things here. Anyway, let's go back to here and log in. I actually want to make sure I get this part done. This is more important than me trying to explain why I want all of these things to look a certain way. Can I not get this upgrade off? Is it always just going to stay there? Yeah, it is. So whenever I see UI elements that I don't want to see, I normally just delete them. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. So I could just find this button here. And so long as there's not any type of flex stuff going on, I can just delete it. And yes, I do this in my screenshots sometimes where I remove things that just aren't useful. Setting this to last week so that these aren't scrunched up. And I'm also removing other elements that don't need to be on the page. This right here can also get the business. Let's delete that. Wait, is there a hidden element here? Main. Yeah, get rid of that. Don't want that. Okay, I think I'm done making edits to their documents. Let's take. Oh, actually, no, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna change these right here. All right, so I don't want that to say code and color. I want it. Oh wait, what does it say in the other ones though? Maybe. All right, never mind. It's gonna say code and color. So what I'm going to end up having to do. Actually, you know what? No. What I'm going to do first is create a new, that's what I'm doing. I'm creating a new sending domain. So I'm going to leave this here, but I am going to change my sandbox because I can't change that later. So we'll just say sandbox and remove that part. So now we're just going to be sandbox, and then this will be MG. And then that's going to get deleted, honestly. This is actually for a previous sample that I did in the past. All right, so I think we're in a good position to take the screenshot. First, I got to get out of dev mode, so we'll do that. And yeah, we'll take the screenshot. Make sure things are looking all right. Looks good enough to me. All right, so I think what I was doing is explaining how to create a new sending domain, if I'm not mistaken. So in our instructions, we currently have go to this menu over here and then click sending and then do domains. We're not gonna do that. I'm gonna not do that. Instead, what I'm gonna have people do is click this button here, the see all domains. All right, so yeah. I guess I could go ahead and make a folder for this. So we're going to say Mailgun, create sending domain. All right, and we're going to rename the screenshot. This is going to be navigate to sending domains. Okay. So now that that's done, we'll go into sending domains, and this is the thing that we want them to click on. Now I had to make sure that I do some of these same edits. So this is sandbox.mailgun. Let me make sure I don't have a screenshot that had any of that in the past. I did. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I'm going to have to. This is great. So, what I'm going to have to do is redo this screenshot here. Actually, I don't have. Well, I don't know. I may have to. You know what? I'll put it on my list. So, edit obtaining API image. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna do it now, but I definitely want to make sure that this is consistent. That should just say sandbox.mailgun. The reason why is that this is gonna say sandbox, whatever I just said. All right, so let's go into dev mode or not. There, okay. And we're gonna do the same thing. Select it, and we're gonna delete all of this stuff right here, this ID. And this is just so that we can have consistency. All right, I think we're good. We'll get out of dev mode. And then this is going to be add a new domain. Okay, cool. We got that. Actually, yeah. All right, we'll take the screenshot again. The reason why is that I want this hover state to be what it was. So we're gonna redo this again. Normally, I'm a little more, I guess, methodical when I'm doing this, but I'm live and I'm trying to explain it as I go. So I'm forgetting to make sure I check stuff first. All right, so we're good here. Make sure nothing is selected that we don't. And I actually want that if you look at the black thing at the bottom, that the link, I actually want that preview to be there. So I'm gonna hover over there and then do that. My mouse cursor, I don't think it's captured. It's just the hover state that I want to be captured. Fuck. Okay. Not done. Let's get out of dev mode. Now we can do that again. Oh, nope. Still again. Still wrong. Now we can do it. All right. That's the right one. No, it's not the right one. Oh my gosh, this freaking upgrade thing came back. Oh my gosh. Let's delete that. And I'm pretty sure, oh no, that was it. Okay, cool. And make sure we're good for real. Sandbox, mailgun, perfect. Oop, almost made a mistake. I want that to be highlighted. All right, so these are trash. This is trash. And this one looks good. So we're going to delete that, rename that. Cool, now we're going to add the domain. And we're going to say one signal app name dot whatever. Or maybe we could just say OS app name dot. Wait, your domain name must be a valid. Okay. This is oh, it's not a subdomain. I'm tripping. So actually, yeah, I do want this to be a subdomain. So we'll just say os1 dot code in color IL, and I guess I only have one option. I'm going to expand that. And do we have any opinions on which key length to use for DKIM? We don't. I'm going to assume that we can work with both. What they also should say, because I don't know if the DKIM key is, I don't know, I say DKIM, is key is in the name. I don't know if DKIM is base 64 encoded or not. If it's base 64 encoded, then it doesn't really matter. However, if it's not, this has the implication of doubling your key size, which means that you're going to increase the amount of content that your end user has to download. All right, so I think this is good. What do we say? We don't really say much. Okay, so I guess we don't have any guidance for what we should do. So domain name, this is I think the most important bit. But I thought in the past we told people to say a certain thing, but in reality, it doesn't need to be a certain thing. We just need to make sure that they set it up under a subdomain. So I'm gonna say OS MG, I don't know, 1, I don't know, just some name like that. And we'll go ahead and take the screenshot. Honestly, at this point, yeah, okay, yeah, I guess it makes sense to add all of it. But I'm also gonna take a screenshot of just this section here. So here, because we're dealing with this form, I think I'm going to go with this option here. All right, but I'm gonna name them both. So 03, this is going to be okay, and then this will be add domain. This will be the form. Okay, I am going to use DKIM for this particular setup, although it is optional. So I'll need to make sure I state that this is optional and add a new domain. Of course it's unverified. I didn't actually create the domain first. And to solve that problem, or at least to walk through how to do that, that's going to be difficult for me because Google Domains no longer is a registrar. And I don't know who it is anymore. Let me see. Let's go to here. Go to domains, Google. Squarespace is my new registrar. All right, I don't care about that one anymore. This domain was deleted. Okay. Sure. Code and color IO. Wait, Squarespace is the registrar. Visit the Squarespace domains. Okay. I don't understand. Wait, so they were transferred? Oh my gosh. All right. How do I... Oh, man, I don't know if I want to transfer this because on my email, everything is tied to this domain. Oh my gosh. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna have to, I guess I can do it in Google Domains. I hope, maybe. But I do need to figure out how do I get this over into Squarespace. Like only one of these really truly matters to me. It's this one right here, is code and color. All the other ones I don't give a shit about. They can go die. I am gonna turn off. Not turn off. I'm gonna get rid of certain things here. Yeah, I'm gonna delete these right here because I'm gonna get rid of the ng whatever thing. Yeah, I'll go ahead and manage these now. May as well. Just get it over with. So GitHub, I don't need this anymore. We'll delete it. Don't need the send. Actually, I don't want the SendGrid stuff because I'm gonna have to redo. I'm gonna have to do this again for SendGrid and all the other ones. So may as well delete it now. Delete, 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 and delete, and delete. Delete, I said. All right. What else? I guess we're good. Oh, I guess I should also delete YTTGen because that's now bot right here. All right, cool. So that's done. What records do I need? All right, so we're gonna set up SPF, which is a text record, and then we have our DKIM. Excuse me. We have our MX records, mail exchange, and our tracking records. Okay, so let's just get these in. right, we're gonna create another record. I'm only doing this because of I need to take this screenshot. So now you all can kind of get an idea of what all goes into just getting a screenshot. You're like, oh, you just take the screenshot. Nah, sometimes there's work that needs to be done so that the application can have the correct state, so that it renders the right things, that kind of thing. I'm not going to document how to do this part because it differs, depending on what domain registrar you're using. I already put it in there. Okay. Huh. I thought there would be, technically DKIM and SPF for text, but there's one specifically for SPF. So I kind of would have expected one to be here for DKIM as well, but whatever. Create a new record, and we need 2 MX records. And MXA and MXB. I think it was 10, like that. Yeah. Oops. I've already forgot what kind. Oh, it's MX. I'm like, I already forgot what record this is. MX record, we're good. Cool. And then I need to add the C name. Then we should be good. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Wait a minute, what? I'm confused. Did I not change this to B? Did that not work last time? Host name already has in use. What? OS, okay, code and color. Where? Oh, okay. That's my bad. Oh, whoa. No, that's not my bad. I did this right. This is right. It's just OS MG1. I don't know why that's not working. These right here shouldn't conflict because these are technically 2 different types of things. Now the question is, like, this right here is the same, and I've never actually seen that, to be honest. So I wonder if what I really should be doing is not this. Let's delete that, and we'll add more to this record, and we'll do that. Yeah, this is probably what I should be doing here, more than likely. So we'll do B. Yeah, that was it. Cool. So this should have a verify DNS. It'll take a few moments actually. So let me wait a couple minutes. And while I wait a couple of minutes, I'm going to delete. Actually, no, I'm not going to delete this because it's going to get reloaded whenever I verify DNS. Let's try this again. Still unverified. I'm just coming here to make sure that I indeed did it. I'm a little, I don't know, miffed by the fact that there's no DKIM, but there is a call out specifically for SPF. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna have to manage my workspace, because I have a workspace here. Which, you know, this is for all of my Google stuff. All right, let's see if this propagated yet. Nope, still nothing. I know I can use this command. I need the actual, oh my gosh. It's about to go through all of this. It's not just who is. There's like a specific flag. You know what? I'll just look at the docs myself. I was hoping that, I saw that apparently ChatGPT has improved. At least that's what I saw. So I was like, oh, this is a good opportunity to see if I can get it to do that. Or you know what, maybe it is doing that. No, it's not. All right, fine. No, I don't. All right, let's see. See, that's not it. Oh wow. Oh shit. All right. I don't know if I have Dig on this machine. I definitely have it on my laptop. So I remember having to use that for when I was doing the email development that I was working on for my SMTP server. Oh, there we are. Cool. So that is exactly it. So yeah, we do want MX. This is the command that it should have given me last time. Here, I'll show the man pages for that. DNS lookup to utility. There we go. That's actually what I was looking for. So we'll do MX, not DNS, dig MX, and then code and color IO. There we go. So why am I doing this? I'm looking to see if my changes have propagated yet. So I see these. Oh wait, whoa. Let me put it on a subdomain. So I think it was what was it? OS MG-1 maybe. Not seeing it, but I don't know. Maybe it's done. Maybe we're good. Maybe I don't need to see it. Verify. No, it's still nothing. What the hell? Current value not found. What do you mean? It's here. It's definitely here. I have a feeling I know what the issue is. I think, yeah, I think I know what the issue is. Let's Manasseh's records yet again and delete. Oh my gosh, why did that do that? All right, delete all of these things here, these quotes. Email OSMG1. Oh, okay. All right. I'm tripping. That's the C name. I'm like, it reordered it. I see. Okay. I'm like, wait a minute. That's the wrong. All right, we're good. And then we're going to do that and save it. Oh, it re-added it. Okay. So Google's adding this. All right. That's interesting. Huh. Did I do this on the right domain? Yeah, I did it on the right domain. I know they say it could take up to 48 hours, but it's never taken me 48 hours to do any of this. So let's just hope and pray that it works. No, it doesn't. Okay. We're going to have to wait, right? We're going to have to wait, which isn't very fun to me. So, I guess what I could do is take a screenshot of this as what it would look like if you don't have these. So yeah, this is maybe a good opportunity. So I'm going to go into developer mode and we're going to delete this thing here, this button. Okay, and we're gonna use Snagit, I think is the name of this one. I need to take a scrolling screenshot. So that missing captures, I don't care. Just make sure that I have the correct plugin installed. You know what? Maybe we'll just go to the, where's the window thing? The window capture. Okay, so we're gonna select, guess a web page, yeah. Effects, none. Although I do want a drop shadow here. Share, keep it as is. Copy the clipboard, nope. Time delay, yeah. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Panoramic is what I want. Oops. It just takes a while. Okay. I thought that there was a window selection for this. I guess that's not the case for a panorama. Now the problem is that it's rounded corners. that's the problem. I guess I can fix that. I can fix that. Manually, it's gonna suck, but you know, whatever. All right, so we'll start. Okay. Man, I don't like the scroll bar in here at all. But I can fix that. Oh gosh, never mind. Shit. gonna have to do a little bit of editing to fix this photo. Validations is the last one. Let's see, where's validations? I don't even see validations. Oh man, it really jacked it up. God dang it. God damn it, that didn't work. It didn't work the way I wanted it to work. But that's okay. The easiest fix is just to do this, and that's what I'm going to do. We're gonna go with the easiest fix, which is a crop. And I guess since we're cropping, we really don't care about any of that stuff. I just want to make sure that there is the same amount of space on each side, or as much as possible rather. So we're gonna crop in just a little bit more to the left and just a little bit more on the top, and I think we're all even now, or as even as I'm gonna get. Okay, I think this is decent enough. Oh, wait a minute. No, never mind. Want to have more. Oh, wait. No, there's only so much space I can put right there. Dang it. All right, never mind. Uh-oh, this software starting to not like things. All right, let's get out of this mode. All right, cool. So now that this is here, wait a minute. This is, I am not sure what's going on right now. Every time I crop this, it cuts to here, when in reality, like, it's something's going on. This is weird. Trim. See, it's trimming to there, and I don't want that. Oh, crop. Okay. All right. I don't know what trim was doing. That's really weird. But we're good. We're good. Let's export this and close snagging before my computer crashes. This is the I guess the domain setup, DNS setup. Excuse me. All right, let's try to verify this again. Still. All right, now I'm starting to become a little concerned now. I expected that one to work. This is the right domain, code and color. Yeah, this is the right domain. Yeah, this is the right subdomain. I can't even talk. Right subdomain, OS, whatever this is. Let's try to go there, see what happens. NX domain. Alright, I don't know what this right here means. We're gonna have ChatGPT explain this one to me. I set the output. I don't care about. I know it's from the dict command. I'm the one that wrote it. All right, so version, yeah. Global options. Non-existent domain. Okay. That's good to know for the future that means non-existent domain. But it's here. Is it EN1 or is it ET? I don't remember these things anymore. It's been years since I had to get into networking. But I want to say it. I thought it was ET. I'm only seeing EN. Oh wait, here we are. Oh, this is loop back. I don't care about that one. 21. Ethernet. iNet. Broadcast smart running. Oh, you know what I could do? Cause I know it's 1,000 base. So maybe I can just search for that. We're gonna do 1,000. No? Okay. Maybe it's not listed as that. It could be 10G. Maybe I'll look for 10G. Nope. All right, which one of these is the correct card? I didn't even realize I would have this many interfaces. Oh, here we are, EN0. I think this could be it. 1968.2124. I don't know if this is it. Yeah, it's way too many. I'm not. Yeah, no. No, it's just too many to go through. Whatever. Now, I guess it wouldn't matter because I don't know which network is going across. I'm connected to two networks simultaneously on this machine. But it looks like there's not much that I can do other than just wait. And yeah, I can't really move forward until I have the things that I need in place. Oops. Oh shit, I have a website. Didn't even realize it. I forgot about that. All right, so I guess what I'm gonna do is yeah, I guess I can just go look at the docs as they are. I'm like, should I just go? Maybe? I don't know. this is technically an optional step. You don't have to do this to have emails work. However, this is a strongly recommended step. I want to make sure I'm clear on that. I'm just looking to see if there's any other things that I can do while I wait. So it looks like there is. I can do this screenshot now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have a new app, I think. Or did I? Yeah, okay. I have a new app that I can do. So we'll just use this one to go there. One. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, is this? Oh, okay. I was expecting to see this on Monday, so I'm just now starting to see this. Okay, so that means that I get to redo more screenshots today, more than I had anticipated. Okay, so this is our new UI. Let's do A here. We're gonna set up a platform. Or maybe I should go to, wait, are we doing this in a new app? Or, oops, let's not go to B. That's also not set up. Let's go to dev cycle. So the way that we would have them do it is go to settings, platform. So there's two ways, and I need to make sure that I make this clear, that there are two ways. Number one is in a new app. Here, we're going to set up a platform, I think. Let's create a new app called C. There are three ways. Okay. However, one of these ways, I don't think. Yeah. There are only going to be two ways that I'm gonna specify here. So this is going to be email setup, and it would be mailgun email, like that. Do we care? No, we don't. Okay. And then I want this to be hovered over. Take that screenshot. Right. Select mailgun and highlight over our continue. All right, and in the domain, I think it was os-mg-1.code and color. Yeah. The user, I haven't created that user yet, but I will soon. It's going to be OS app name or OS app, something like that. And then for whatever reason, we have to put this at. I don't like it because we have this up here already, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Actually, we'll just say app name. And I have the name here, so it's email setup. And I think that you can use underscores in this, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna test this. Excuse me. Password doesn't really, oh shit, it does matter. Why is this plain text? This is also plain text. God damn it. Okay, so we have a bug. Yo, what's up, School EB? How you doing? I just need to capture something very quickly, and in fact, I also need to go ahead and do this product feedback request now. So there are a few other ones that I have to send, so I may as well do that now. And no, I can't. I don't know if I should show that. That's in my Slack. All right, so one of these is bug. So I guess we can submit one of these in the fuck in the engineering. Create a bug report. Okay, it's just a defect. I mean, honestly, the app ID doesn't matter. Wait. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh, here we are. All right, cool. Honestly, man, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna just say NA. I've had this conversation before. I'm like, there's a bunch of things that I'm being asked that don't really matter ever. This is, I mean, technically it's emailing, but it's onboarding technically. Integrations. Yeah, this is technically onboarding, but whatever. No. Go to the issue. That's what we're gonna do here. So here's the issue. Just point them there. Reference link. See referenced link. Urgency, I don't know, I think it's pretty high. All can only contain numbers. I don't know. Okay. 1. Because I'm impacted. That's the only person I know who's impacted. All right, cool. So summarize the issue. I've summarized the issue already, but we'll just say passwords are no longer text inputs that should never show. That should be type. That should text inputs are not password inputs types. Type password when they should be. I think that's technically correct. I actually don't remember. Let's see. Let's go to the input. And where is it at? Here. Is there a, yeah, see, yeah, there is. It's password. But this is, yeah, it is a type. Perfect, yeah. Text inputs, which are password, are not type password. And then you say, all right, cool, we're good. Make sure I have that link. We're good. No, I'm not good yet. Does it work? No, it doesn't. All right, 1 down, and now more to go. Except not all of these are going to be reported in the same way, unfortunately. Okay, so we'll go to here, and I'll just say that this has been submitted. All right, I guess the rest of these are all to-dos. Need to get on my, oh my gosh. I thought that would, I thought that would go and make all of these a to-do, but no, it doesn't. So these are all of the product things that I need to go off and do. I think, I really hope I don't have to, but I probably am gonna have to. Fortunately though, I already have like the, whatever this is, whatever you want to call it, I already have this. So it's just a matter of sharing. All right, and now there's this other one that was recently right here. Oh wait, no, this isn't mine. Oh, Nan sent this 8 hours ago. Okay, I'll come back to that later. Why do we force customers to create their own webhooks? This goes in the product channel. Let's go there. This is a feature idea. Email. Onboarding. Okay, that's done. Let me go ahead and say that this is submitted. I wonder if I submitted this. All right, so man, I'm gonna put to do in here for now. But I gotta figure out if I ever submitted that. Oops. Oh, my bad. It's Marshall B. Just on my Twitch account. This is my favorite kind of content, code documentation. Really, this is my least favorite thing to do. I don't enjoy it, but like with anything, it must be done. And I guess this is something that I guess a lot of people don't enjoy, but also a lot of people, I guess, just don't have the skill set to do it or to do it well. So yeah, that's the reward for being good at certain things. Even if you don't like it, you get to do more of it. All right, so wait, that's not what I wanted. All right, there we go. Some endpoints are to open. What was this one? Yeah, this is, I can do that later. But I do want to make sure that I add this to the correct project. If there is one, maybe there isn't one. Looks like there aren't any actually. So this was also going to be on the developer experience side. Data tags are not validated. Oh yeah, this is a good one. This is not a bug because I don't think this was ever part of the design. So it's going to product now. For what it's worth, the reason why I'm doing this now, and I know you can't see half of what I'm doing, but the reason why I'm choosing to submit product feedback is because I'm technically blocked right now. Until DNS propagates those new records that I added, feels like an hour ago. It may have only been a few minutes ago, but it feels like it's been a full hour. They haven't propagated yet. So I am in a holding pattern until that propagates. Hence the reason why I'm over here submitting stuff that I'm doing. Wait, is this a feature? All right, this is email import. Email. Oh, lack of validation. Okay, this is now submitted. Let me make sure that that's marked as such. Move on in life. It's currently unclear if adding imported emails to segment counts against data tag limit. I mean, this is kind of a question too, but Wait, have I really not sent this? All right, I'm gonna have to talk to the product team to see what issues they have from me, because I have 30 that are still open, and I don't know which one of these I've actually submitted or not, or I don't know. Let's go and check my DNS to see if it's here, if it's propagated. Oh my gosh. It's gonna take a day, isn't it? It's gonna take a full day. I'm calling it here. Normally if it doesn't take a few minutes, or if it's not a few seconds, it takes a few minutes. And if it takes longer than a few minutes, it's probably gonna take the full day or 48 hours. I've never actually had it take the full 48 hours though, but I have had it take hours in the past. So that's fun. Man, all right, I guess I will continue doing these product things. I even have more that I was supposed to write up. Let me look at my notes. Wait, finish drafting product feedback number 46. I think I did 46. Yeah, I did. Okay. Let me read over this, see what this is. The claims developer can set enable equal false to unsubscribe to push subscription. And the notifications will be okay. When I do this, enable this update and notifications update to -30. However, in the dashboard, it displays the APNS bad device token status. Okay, so let me forward this on to the engineering team. And I will add more context if necessary. Yes, I am. Hence the reason why I'm all over the place. Yeah, so from my understanding, Devlog, there's a few different personas within the space, within developer relations, the organization. Within them, you'll have folks who are developer advocates, but to advocate for someone, you can do that in more than one way. So the different roles that I am familiar with now is around documentation. There's content creation, like writing blog posts, as well as doing what do you call those? Videos. There's the folks who just give talks, right? They go around and give talks to different conferences and people. There are the folks who do community type stuff, who like Discord, Slack, YouTube, that kind of thing. Community managers. Then you have people who they are engineers themselves, and they build applications that demonstrate whatever technology they're advocating for. And I'm pretty sure I'm missing something. I don't remember what I've said, but it's a few things that they do. Okay, does the app ID really matter here? I don't think it does. It never does. That's the thing, like the app ID never matters, generally, for me at least. App ID is here. But again, it doesn't matter. But they have it where I have to put it in here. Normally I would put NA, but this is, what is this doing? Update. Updating subscription. By or with enabled property param set to false. Results and incorrect. Dashboard status. But I think it's more than that. It's I forgot, because I've gotten this before. It's bad APNS or something like that. APNS bad device token. Oh wait, I wonder who added these? Oh shit! Look at that, Nan added it. Wow, congratulations, Nan. See, I love this. I love when people, they see what's there, like, you know, that there's a way that things are happening, and then, like, yeah, she did this on her own. That's great. I love to see it. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I'm most interested in technical writing area. There are actual roles for technical writers. That's not within developer relations though. So I don't know how do you say it? Like technical writing is a different thing. Technical writers should be writing that kind of stuff. But I think that's one of the skill sets that developer advocates will have is technical writing, because you need to be able to explain technical concepts. And generally we're doing that in writing. Let's see, got a view example working on my end. So data list should be ready for review with working examples. All right, looks like there is something I need to review. Did I finish? I didn't finish sending this report. Let me finish that. The product area for this is subscriptions. I'm gonna just say push. And then issue summary. Well, steps to reproduce. See the see the reference issue. Okay, obviously that didn't do what I thought it would do. Let's find that link. Where did it go? Am I missing a window? Did I just close a window on accident? What just happened? I did. Okay. So this is the link. Throw that there. See the referenced issue and then summarize the issue. Well, I don't know. Status, subscription, status set to bad APNS token when it shouldn't. No, it does not. Urgency, I don't know. I'll figure that out. At least one. At least one, I don't know. All right, cool. Now I can go and review this doc that won't open for whatever reason. Okay. Ionic capacitor. All right. Which one is which? Maybe it's this one. I hope it's this one. No. Oh my gosh. Where? I don't know how to get to this doc. Either I'm dumb or README just doesn't work. Just tell them I get a blank screen. All right, well, I don't know if I care that much at the moment. So let me make sure that I say that this has been submitted. This is, well, she said that this is the dashboard. Okay, yeah, put it on there. All right, let's go back. I think this is gonna be my final check to see if I can continue what I set out to do today. Let's close all of this other crap that I don't need. All right, let's hope. Oh, no. My gosh. Ah. I wonder, you know what? I wonder if I need to, let's go and check. I'm pretty sure that I already did it, but I need to make sure I added the C name for whatever it's supposed to be. I forgot. I added it to code and color, so we'll do it here. And we'll go to DNS. MG, OS MG1. Is that what? Shit, that's not the right way. OSMG-1. This says MG. I thought I deleted that. Or did I? Yeah, I thought I deleted that. I'm gonna delete that right quick. Let's delete MG. That goes away. But I definitely have the right things here. OSMG1 from my MX and SPF, and then we have the SMTP server with the DKIM. And that is the correct thing there. And then we have our www. So I have this right here, which is, let's look at that. codeandcolor.io.codeandcolor.io. Oh, wait a minute, that's interesting. Is that what it should be? OSMG code and color. Oh, look at that. We have code. All right, I think I'm seeing an issue here. I don't remember typing whatever that is. Code and color IO, code and color IO. And it looks like I didn't. Wait, what the hell? What's going on here? Wait, what? Okay. I don't even know. Code and color IO. Email.osmg codeandcolor.io.codeandcolor.io. Okay. So it looks like Google is adding .code and color IO. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. So Google is adding these things. It's being helpful. No wonder it's not working. Man, that's sinister right there. That's not great. Okay, so now these state what they, all right, now they look like what they should look like. All right, look at that. Just turned out things that are supposedly supposed to be helpful. That could be it. Now it still may take some time, right? But at the very least, these records look like what they're supposed to look like now, and not saying osmg1.codeandcolor.io.codeandcolor.io. Like, that doesn't make sense. OSMG code and color. Okay, we're good there. I think we're good on all of these now. Oops. All right, we verified some of these. But this one isn't. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this from a ready to activate. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll do that in a bit. The first thing I'm gonna do the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this SPF. I don't know why I keep doing that. Change the SPF record from SPF to text, or let me make sure that's what it should be. Let's see. OSMG1 code and color. OSMG1 VSPF1. Oh man. SPF1. Do I have that? Email VSPF1 include mailgun.org. Oh, okay. Let's try to do this again. It got the rest. So, all right. So I think to fix that, I'm going to change this from SPF to text. Just like raw text. Wait, I really have to re-put the value. God dang it. All right. So I'll copy this value here. Save it. It's gonna take a second, I guess. All right, we have just one last thing to do. Perfect. We are now fully verified. Now I'm gonna send a I'm gonna do another image. Oh, excuse me. Wait, what? It's just not gonna create it. And why in the hell is my Stream Deck using 124% of my machine? What's going on? Is the Stream Deck really doing that much? I don't know what a glorified keyboard host controller is doing using a full CPU. But whatever. Let's go ahead and do some cropping right quick. We're going to crop all of this stuff out. All of this crap out. And this crap over here. And this crap at the bottom. Look at that. All this crap is gone now. That looks about right. We'll crop that. Oh wait, no, it doesn't look about right. I lied. Now it looks about right. Or maybe right there. Then we'll bring this in, tighten it up just a little bit more. And this needs to come down just slightly more. All right, cool. All right, so I think this looks, oh fuck, it doesn't. The mouse is there. Is the mouse in the other one? It's not. Dang it. Turn off capture cursor. I gotta redo that again now. All right, the easiest thing for me to do right now, is to just position it like that, and then select all of these. Use HTML to select all of these, but I can't because of reasons. God dang it. That's fine. I'll copy them all separately. Okay, so we'll take this here. All right, so let's see, make sure we have CNAME, SPM, DKIM. We need MX and tracking records. All right, we have MX. Now I need tracking records. And you know what? Maybe I will put this back in the format that I had it in, and I'm gonna retake all these screenshots because I want them to not be too large. That's really important to me that these things aren't too large. Unfortunately, I can't get rid of this sidebar, so it's gonna be what it is. Let's delete all these again. Okay, so there's only 3. So we have 1, 2. That last one didn't copy for whatever reason. What do I have over here? We have SPF and tracking records. So I do need this. I need the MX, this one. Okay. So let's rename this. This is going to be receiving records. So there are going to be two methods. There's the app setup, app setup, and then there's setup email, app setup email. We'll call it that for now. And this is going to be 0 of that, so we'll say 0, 1. And then this is going to be step 2 of that. Email and then mailgun. And this is the configuration, which I don't want to use the screenshot yet. Well, yeah, what I can do, I can show how I can fix that actually. And I do this sometimes when I need certain things to be a certain way, but I know that it won't get put into production. And I'm really anal about this right here too. Like I want that to be something, to be the actual thing. So if I go to the staging environment, that's not enough for me. Or if I do it locally, that's not enough for me. So what I often will do is we'll go into dev mode. And what you can do is you can select these inputs here. And here, I'll just give it, gonna let me do something. All right, yeah, so we can say type is equal to password. And now we get that. So I can go ahead and do the thing that I need to do and not have to worry about someone coming back and fixing it. No, I'll just ignore it for now. So it's gonna be password. And then we'll just put in some more values. We're gonna say OS email setup. That's my user. And I hope I can do this. I actually don't know if I can use this or not. Let's close that, get rid of that. Okay, so now the next step is I need to go and find out if I can do this other thing. And I also need to go to the next step. So we're gonna click verify. So I need to take a screenshot of this. All right, so we'll verify DNS settings. All right, cool. So now that I have this domain, we should see 3 here. Yeah, OS, whatever this is. And I'm gonna go back to my dashboard. Or actually, no. I don't want to go back to my dashboard. Let's go back to the domain because this is where the end user will be. So from here, where will they go? And I think the easiest way, or the easiest thing to have them do is go off and set up the webhooks. But let's see, we can also do some stuff on the domain too. I guess not anymore. So we'll come over to webhooks and then we're gonna have to create all these webhooks. So let me go ahead and take a screenshot. And then there's also domain settings that I need. And it's going to be this SMTP credentials. So we'll just go ahead and take a screenshot and come into here. And then there's a default user that gets created. But we're not going to do that. I want to create a new one. So we'll hover over that. And I want this username to be whatever I just said it was. I forgot what it is, so I have to go back and look. OS email setup. So let's see if I can use that. OS email setup. As for creation method, sure, we can do automatic. We'll take a screenshot. And another screenshot because it has this thing down here. And they call this a username. So maybe we should do the same thing. There's another thing that we have to do. We also have to go to the sending API keys, and we're gonna create a new, oh, is it a sending API key or is it? No, it's not a sending API key. There's another one. We just want an API key here. we're gonna come here and let's take a screenshot of this. Actually, no, I don't have to do this because yeah, I don't have to do that. I already documented that. Look at that. When shit comes together, look at that. So yeah, I already have that documented. So what I'll do is I'll just refer to that. So no need to take these screenshots. I think I'm done with that. With getting email set up. Or I'm not done. I've copied. I'm not copied. I've done the steps that I need to do. So this is going to be app setup. There's two ways there. I'm sorry, I should be more specific. At the moment, I'm setting up email. There's two ways you could do it. You can do it at the time that you create the app, or you can do it on an existing app. So what I've just demonstrated is doing it on a new app at the time of creation. So we'll put that inside of there. That can go away. This is part of that app creation flow. All right. Wait, am I missing something? Yes. I hope that I didn't clear my trash. I did. Damn it. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Oh, wait. No. I forgot. I haven't exported it yet. Okay. All right, we're good. I was like, where's the success at? I don't see the success. Turns out, yeah. So this is going to be the create webhook flow. So we'll go into that in a bit. Domain settings. Okay. So this is to create the SMTP credentials. So that's adding those credentials. This is add webhooks. Oh, this is just going to the next step to verify. We don't care about that. This is adding the new user, or I guess clicking the button. Man, I read that as simp for a second, like a new simp user. I don't have an ordering for these yet because of reasons, but oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. I just forgot to copy that. Okay. Okay, so man, this one I can retake, I think. Hopefully, I really hope I can. Or oh man, see, here's the problem, is that I can easily actually, it may not be that easy. I was gonna say I should be able to be like fix these with a repair tool quite easily. Not with this, but you know, in an actual image editor, to remove these mouses or these cursors. The problem is that there are a few instances of this cursor that would be incredibly hard to remove. Here's one. The cursor that's slightly occluding this DK, and that's, no, it's not fully on here. The shadow is outside of that. That wouldn't work. And then there's another one where there's this edge that wouldn't work. It's not going to handle that well. And And then there's another one that I thought I saw. Yeah, here, where this shadow is just over that edge right there, so that wouldn't work out that well. So yeah, we're just gonna ignore this one. We're gonna get rid of this. We can't use it. Oh fuck. Okay, this is the one that we can use though. So let's export this. And this is verify DNS. Verify DNS settings. All right, and we'll just dump that into here. And I guess we want this as well. So this is verified DNS settings. Verified DNS settings. All right, cool. So we have that part. We don't need to do that. So let's go back to webhooks. That's under sending and webhooks here. So this is for testing. We don't need to do that. We don't need to worry about that right now. So let's wait, did I already do that? Add webhook. Yes, I did. We'll go do that, and then we're gonna get presented with this modal. Let's throw that here. This is the, what is this? Add new webhook dialog. Add webhook dialog. Actually, I don't want to copy that yet. What I instead want to do is select the correct thing that we need to have them do. That is these over here. So what I'm going to do, this isn't enough. Like, images are not great because, believe it or not everyone can see, believe it or not. And screen readers don't know how to read images or any other binary data for that matter. So it's going to be on us to, you know, be very explicit. So let me add that to my notes. Okay, so the wait, this should be pointing to one signal com email hooks Melvin. Okay, we'll copy that, and I want clicked, complained, delivered. So let's just do one. Clicks. Is it clicks or clicked? I guess it's that. So we're gonna do that, and then now we can take our screenshot. Save this on here, and we'll just say new webhook. So I'm only gonna show creating one, and then what I'll then do is show what this looks like once they're all created, and now I'll just list out, you know, which events you need to create one for. So we can call that done. That's easy enough. And then on the tracking protocol, this is the thing that I had a question about that. Wait, no, wait. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. Can we? Or wait, no, I thought I did have that somewhere. Let's see, tracking. Yeah, here, I do have that. Okay, so we're good with that. And this is what I've just started taking screenshots of, so I think we're good with that. Well, I've already captured how to grab your, how to create these credentials. I'll just make sure to save these. But I can also refer them to where they can find them. And then this right here, which, yeah, okay. Making decent enough progress, I suppose. It's now noon. I think I have a meeting. Oh, no, I don't. Wait, did it get canceled? I guess it did. So we have all hands at 1. Okay. All right, so I've been at it here for almost 2 hours. I may be back in the later half of the day. I'm looking at my schedule now. That's what I'm contemplating. Yeah, I have a pretty solid block of things I had to do for about the next 3.5 hours. And then I have a coffee chat at 7:30 today. And even though it's only 15 minutes, coffee chats, depending on how they go, because, these are random people who put time on my calendar. Depending on how they go, they may go longer than 15 minutes. If it's a conversation. So if I enjoy having a conversation, we'll end up talking for a lot longer. So there's a chance that if I do come back, it may not be until after 8 p.m. Or it might be around 3:30 if I don't know. We'll see. I don't want to make any promises. Just know that I potentially may be back, or I potentially won't. But if you made it this far, I do appreciate it. I do recommend giving me a thumbs up. It does help, help me get out there. Subscribing if you want to stay on top of these devlogs. I don't have a true schedule. I kind of just do these when I feel like it. So the best way to know when I'm doing it is to subscribe, and then you can put that little bell notification and you'll get notified. But yeah, y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.